The M18 compact compressor is the quietest compressor I've ever used. We can have a conversation, we don't have to yell over the compressor.
So you're not looking for an outlet to plug in. It can go anywhere. If you gotta go downstairs and there's no power, you can carry it right down. Milwaukee could fire all day on a 12-volt battery.
Milwaukee really stepped up when there's no power at the job sites.
I would definitely have everybody get this compressor. It can go anywhere and it's easy to carry.
It's extremely quiet, it's lightweight.
This thing is awesome.